Good morning, High Point. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Any student who would like to run for a Student Council class officer position can pick up petitions in the Student Council office today. They must be signed and returned by Monday afternoon, May 18th. Speeches must be emailed to the class advisors by Wednesday, May 20th at 2:30.
The Student Council is holding a Zumbathon in the cafeteria Tuesday, May 19th from 3:30 to 5:30. For a donation of at least $5, come and dance your cares away for a good cause.
All students are invited to design an original logo for this year's High Point Yoga t-shirt. Submit a sketch to Miss Myers by today, May 15th. If your logo is selected, you will receive a free High Point Yoga t-shirt.
Attention all students, faculty, and staff. Sign-ups for our annual blood drive are now being held in the cafeteria during all lunches each day this week. The blood drive will be held on Monday, May 18th in the West Gym, and everyone 17 years of age and older is welcome to participate. We are trying to break last year's record of 79 units, so we are asking for everyone who is able to please consider being a donor. Any questions, please see either Mrs. Sarno or Mr. Mina at any time. Thank you in advance for your general support.
Hey juniors, just a few reminders. Prom is Friday, May 22nd from 6 to 11 p.m. at Skylands in Randolph. Address and phone number of location are located on High Point Regional's Facebook page and webpage. Bids will be distributed during lunch in a few weeks once the list of prom goers has been approved.
In sports, congratulations to the boys JV tennis team on their 4-0 win over Kittatinny yesterday to close out the season. Cameron Gector and Quinn Brandt rolled at second doubles for the first point. Also gathering wins were Aiden Becker and Jordan Pauls at first doubles and Zachary Naska at first. Singles, Matt Lembo added the final point with a great 3-set win at second singles.
Good job, guys. Today's lunch, New York style pizza, freshly prepared tomato and cucumber salad, and fresh or chilled fruit.
And today's birthdays, Grace Brunzel, Walker Gibson, and Clayton Miley.
Happy birthday, guys.
This is Kelly.
And this is Mike.
Have a great day, High Point.